Are you ready to elevate your career and transform your teams with the power of Agile and Scrum? Dive deep into the world of Agile and Scrum. Join our 2-day online Scrum Master class, meticulously crafted by the pioneers at scrum.org. This isn't just another course, it's an immersive experience. Our class combines expert instruction with practical hands-on activities, transforming you from a passive learner to an active master of Agile and Scrum principles. Our professional Scrum trainers aren't just teachers, they're seasoned Scrum practitioners. They bring real-world challenges and successes into the classroom, enriching your learning with personal stories and unique insights. Our alumni speak volumes. From leading seamless transitions to Agile to securing top-tier Scrum Master roles, the transformative outcomes speak for themselves. The demand for skilled Scrum Masters is insatiable. With a consistent upward trend in Scrum Master roles, stepping into this pathway has never been more promising. Ready to lead the change? Transform not just your career, but become the catalyst for change in your organization. Embrace agility, foster innovation, and steer your teams towards unprecedented success. Join us, be the Scrum Master that every team dreams of. Enroll now and embark on this journey to excellence. Contact us today. Your future as a Scrum Master begins here. Don't wait, reach out now.